Welcome to class everyone. So today we will see about the process. Process means when we are running any command, so it will create a process for it. There are some types of process, but if you want to check about the process in Linux, there is some command which help you to know about it. If you talk about what is the types of process, type of process, just consider it. One, foreground process. Foreground process means which is running on terminal directly, just like if you are running some uh, nano command, vim command. So it is running on foreground process. On the same time, the other one is background process. Background process, which is running as a backend. So just like if you are running command slip 200 and then a percent, it will come under the background process. Then daemon process. Daemon process means system service, just like SSHD, HTTPD. So it is known as daemon process. So there are some types of process, and if you want to check the process information in your system, then you have to use some command, just like we are using p, ps, and aux. So it will show you lot of information. If you scroll up, you will get those information. A means what is the meaning of A is this in this place? A means for all user, for all information. When you look for the U means for user on owner. And third is X. X means the process not attached to your terminal. It is known as X. So when you look at this, there are multiple information. User, then PID. So they all having their own meaning. If you write it, let's check. So by which user it is running, it will come under it user option. Then there is a PID. PID means it is known as the process ID. What is the identification of your process? Then you have seen about percentage and then CPU. Just come back. So what is the meaning of percentage CPU? Percentage CPU means what is the percentage of CPU is going to utilize. On the same time, there is percentage mem. Mem means it is the utilization of RAM in a percentage. Then VSZ. VSZ means virtual memory size, which is using. Then there is RSS. RSS means resident set size or actual physical memory. Then TTY. TTY means terminal where the process is running. State. State means what is the state of your process. They have multiple states. Start, when your process is started. Time, total CPU time taken by your process and the command. But if you look at that, you have getting that multiple the states. You have some state. In state, there can be multiple. Multiple just like you have capital R, R for running. Then next, S can be possible. S means sleeping, means they are waiting for an event and resource. Then capital D, D for un, uninterruptible, uninterruptible sleep, waiting for IO. Then there is capital Z, Z for zombie, zombie process. After it, there is T, T for stopped. Then X, X for dead process. So like that, there are multiple states. With that state, you have to understand about the process that in which state it is. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.